We're waiting for our pancakes to arrive. They're making them right now. We got pancakes with cheese and bacon and some sweet stuff on it as well. That's actually a thing here. I got a pancake with some bacon. Oké, iemand anders overnemen nu?
Ja, jammer.
Ja, ik ga wel.
Oké.
Good afternoon. I'm walking towards a really cute farm right now, together with Laura. And we're also joined by my two friends, Raj and Gio. It really smells like a farm right now. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to get some pancakes. We're going to have some adventures, canoeing on the water, and just explore, pet some goats. Been here before on a very rainy day, but today it's a very sunny day, so the atmosphere is a lot different. We're waiting for our pancakes to arrive. They're making them right now. We got pancakes with cheese and bacon and some sweet stuff on it as well. That's actually a thing here. We eat pancakes with savory items on it, ingredients on it. Do you have that over there in your country? You're just sitting down at this lovely picnic table. I got a pancake with some bacon on it. And over there we got a pancake with cheese on it. And this is a plain one, but he's gonna smear some Nutella on it. Looks pretty good. Just had our pancakes and we're going to the place to do some canoe on the lake. I don't know how you say that in English, but we're gonna take a little boat and go for an hour on an adventure over the water. It's a perfect day to do this. It's very warm, very lovely and very sunny, and it's so much people here.
Oh, dit is wel een workout.
Oh, kan gaan op.
Ja, wat kan gaan op?
Hier staan denk ik.
Ja, goed.
We liggen dat al met dat. Wat is de bedoeling?
Oh!
Ja. Ja.
Nou, een rondje maken. Dit is physics.
Welcome to this special episode of KasumiKriss in the water. Look, she uses her man strength.
My Viking strength.
The Viking strength to handle the boat and bring us to safety. Mooi uitzicht is dit.
Dit is zo grappig, het lijkt net een videoclip.
Hey, maar dit is speciale footage, dat kost extra. Dat gaat boven de normale rate.
Now it's Laura's turn.
Kill a duck.
It's okay, little ducky.
Een Titanic move. It's a wild crystal.
Oké, iemand anders overnemen nu?
Ja, jammer.
Ja, ik ga wel.
So much fun. I want to come back here more often, especially in this summertime. Oh, and now we're looking at some animals. You know, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Meow. Hello, beautiful Pauw.
Beautiful Pauw. Pauw, een witte man.
Oh, you're so cute.
Pauw, een witte geit. Kleine geitje.
Goat with fur.
Zo, sorry hoor.
I truly do not want to live in the city later. Platteland? In the countryside. Yeah, I want to live in a rural area. Oh, I love it. Hoi.
Kijk je daar in de hoek gaan staan. Dat is wat groener. Gaan we een tegel pakken. Ja. Die vogeltjes in deze.
Cucumber? Je gaat toch weer beleefd doen en beschaafd?
We're gonna get a lot of nice produce from the farm today. Gonna be a lot of milk, cheese, butter. I'm gonna see what they have more here, but honey, of course. Maybe some meat. I don't know what they got. I've definitely got some cucumbers. They look very nice. Did you go in there? Here, have some money.
This is the crystal in her natural habitat, scavenging for food so she can feed her children. They need enough protein to survive the winter. This is when scavenging gets extra hard. She's looking at various jars to see which one has the best ingredients. We're going to carefully turn the camera to not frighten the Queen of the Netherlands.
The Queen of the Netherlands.
It is a truly majestic creature that can live in peace with the KasumiKriss.
How did you like it, Laura?
I liked it a lot. Okay, the smell's not that good, but goats are cute and it's such a nice, I don't know, environment. Yeah. It's really beautiful.
Very pretty.
Thank you for taking me. Thank you for inviting me.
That was the day at the farm. And now we're gonna say goodbye to the little goats. Got a lot of stuff in my backpack and we're just carrying all my milk. Got 4 raw cow milk and 1 big raw goat's milk. I already had a little bit of the goat's milk. Delicious, refreshing. What a nice adventure today. Now we're gonna go back with the car right now. It's gonna be taking about maybe 20 minutes to get back home. But an active day. I want to do more things like this outdoors in the sun. I got back home after a pretty long morning and afternoon together with my friends. I got a lot of nice goodies, as you can see. A lot of milk, raw cheese, raw unsalted cheese, cucumbers, raw unsalted butter, and a lot of eggs, and even some honey with jelly royale in it. Some tallow, that's how it's called. Like, I'm gonna cook with that and put it on my skin as well. Holy moly, I feel so warm and cozy. And I'm gonna put everything in the fridge right now, pack everything up and kind of unwind. Get some liquids in me, a little bit of milk, hydrate myself, and enjoy the rest of the evening. Gonna live stream twice today. If you're curious about any of my live streams, I live stream on Patreon once a month. It's very personal. I'm not gaming or anything or doing anything else, so I'm just talking with you, answering your questions. The link, I will leave it in the description box down below. And Twitch, I stream on Wednesdays and Sundays around 7 or around 8 to 8:30 p.m. CEST time. So you can join me there. I will be playing some video games, but I love interacting with you in the chat as well. We have a little community over there. I see many of the same names constantly. So thank you very, very much for always showing up over there. But come and check it out and chat with me and ask me your questions. I would love to see you there.